So guys, Of here, welcome back to another one of my videos, and today I will be showing you all of my fidget spinners or fidget cube. So let's get started. First one is my fidget cube. You can pull this in and out, just play with that round. And next one is you can switch that. These buttons, you can just press them. And there's these. Press them in and out, then you can just scroll them up and down. And the last thing is this, you can just spin this one. So that's that one. Second one is this one, but I'm not getting this one out because I don't want to drop it. If it drops, that one's broke. And there is this one, which comes in the same case as that. Ready? Spins really fast. Another one. Another one. Then this one. This one. And this one. This one. Golden one. This tiny one. So I've got this one. And this one. This one didn't come with a thing for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, there's two in here, but I'm not really getting these out because them two. So now I'm going to tell you how many I've got. So 2, 4, 6, 8. No, let's just count normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then I've got one at my aunties and another one at my aunties. So that equals. So I've got 16 fidget spinners, guys. 16. That's really quite a lot. I've got this as well, in case I want a drink. This is really cool because I can just literally get a drink from a water fountain. So that's that. Other things. See you guys later. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below. Peace.